everybody, my name is Cage Parkins. Today I wanted to show you this Ibanez Destroyer DT150. This is an early 80s X series model made in Japan. It started off as a one humbucker Strat trem guitar, single volume, and then they, somewhere along the line, somebody added a middle and neck pickup, and when I first met this guitar, it had the two volume and tone controls. Then it had a mini toggle control to turn the center pickup on and off, as well as a mini three-way toggle. So the owner and I decided to do a delete here, and so he actually went ahead and routed it for the switch and added this Telecaster electronics plate here. I think it looks really cool. This is the original paint of this guitar, which is like a candy apple red. It's a little translucency to it. And this is a one-piece maple neck. Really great fretwork on here. There's quite a bit of fret life left on this guitar, although they're pretty small frets. So I just wanted to take a moment to share this guitar with y'all. It's been a minute since I've been on YouTube, you know, life and everything. So I'll go ahead and give you a little bit of a taste of what this guitar sounds like, what it does.